Good morning, y'all. It's Ree back with another video, and today is basically another vlog. Today is Lace Day. Now, Lace Day is when I do discounted installs, and y'all know I haven't been taking new clients for a long time, so this is everybody's chance to get in there. This is my first day of Lace Day. I will be doing another one in November and another one in December. Those two are going to be for like 2 days. This one is just one day. It's a Friday, and I don't know how this is gonna go, honestly, because it's a Friday and people are at work. I should have done it on a Saturday, but I didn't fully think about it. But yeah, hopefully I get like a couple people. We'll see. The rules are basically just come in to the beauty supply store I'm a vendor at, buy any of the wigs. It don't have to be from me. You could buy any of the wigs there and come and get it applied by me in a like assembly line. So somebody's gonna braid your hair, I'm gonna apply the wig, and somebody else is gonna style it. So yeah, all for a discounted price. Let's see how it goes. I'm so like excited but nervous today. Like, Lord, please bless my pockets and let everything go smoothly. Like, uh but anyway, I got the snacks. I got chips. I got water. I got like the little variety pack with like the Chips Ahoy and all that type of stuff. And I got orange juice, cran white grape, peach, something like that. But that's my favorite one. I don't know what it's called, but I know it's like kind of clear. That is fire. I think I'm gonna go get some donuts too. So that's what we're about to do now. So I'm cracking up because my wig is bulky as I don't know what. Like, I have individual plaits underneath this wig. Like, I was not about to wear a wig this morning. I was thinking it's lace day. I have to. Like, you're doing wigs. You gotta wear a wig. Like, you gotta promote. So that's why I'm wearing it. I was gonna do a braid out. So my braid out is underneath this wig. And I guess I'm wearing that tomorrow. Because they don't look too bad, but just in that other little take, when I was real close to the camera, I was like, ooh, girl, it's a little bulky. That's all right. Sorry for the angles. Like, I'm not used to this vlog stuff. So, yeah, I'm in the store. I just Uber Eats the donuts because I didn't feel like getting them. So, yeah. All right, this is my little setup. Got a little snack, a little juice right there. We got a little orange juice in the refrigerator. Got some waters down there. And I'm just waiting for the donuts. But yeah. Okay, first client of the day. She's getting braided down by our braider Serenity. Wait till y'all see her wig. It looks so good. But I got some bad news. As I was editing this, some of the clips would not load. Like, it was saying it can't load the highest quality. So I had to take some clips from like my reels. So it looks kind of janky, but I wanted y'all to see the ending results anyway of Lace Day. I literally was so excited and had all these videos, but it's okay. I have some videos of some of the mainstream results, so I hope y'all enjoy that. Please excuse the way I look. I'm tired. I'm tired. I prayed to God that he would give me 8 people today, and he gave me exactly 8 people today. So thank God for the people that helped me, Serenity and Shauna. Serenity did the braid bases, and Shauna did the styling, and I did the applications. I don't have no ring light right now. I don't have nothing. I'm tired. But everything went smoothly. I guess a few people brought in wigs that they bought from the beauty supply store maybe a little bit previously. And then today I sold 3 wigs from my collection. And then the store owner, she sold 3 wigs from her collection. So it was very beneficial to both of us. And I really enjoyed it. I am going to do this Lace Day event the weekend before Thanksgiving, and I'm going to do it again the weekend before Christmas. So, but it went so smoothly that I know I said I'm going to retire in 2026 from installing and doing clients, but I just talked to the owner, which is my god sister Renee. I was like, this went really good. and we made some sales for our wigs and stuff. So I was like, I might have to make this an event for your little store. Pop out when we have a holiday, do a couple walk-in installs, maybe Valentine's Day, like big holidays, Mother's Day, Easter, Thanksgiving, stuff like that, New Year's. So, but I'm glad it's over. I'm tired. It was a good day. See y'all in the next episode. Bye, y'all.